Have you ever felt like you're drowning in to-do lists? Like every task you complete gets replaced by two more? If you manage projects, big or small, the answer is probably a resounding yes. Projects, those ambitious undertakings that promise a fantastic outcome, can quickly turn into a tangled mess of uncompleted tasks, missed deadlines, and a whole lot of stress. It's like juggling flaming chainsaws while blindfolded, impressive if you manage it, but a recipe for disaster otherwise. But fear not, weary project warriors. There's a way to bring order to the chaos. Enter Asana, a project management tool designed to be your knight in shining armor, or at least a very helpful squire, in the never-ending quest for project success. So, what exactly is a project in Asana? Before we delve into Asana's superpowers, let's get clear on what a project even is. In the simplest terms, a project is a temporary endeavor with a defined goal. It's something you're working towards that has a clear beginning and end. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't just start hammering boards together without a plan, right? You'd have blueprints, materials, a team, and a time frame for completion. That's the essence of a project, a coordinated effort to achieve a specific outcome. Now, Asana takes that basic project concept and injects it with steroids. It becomes a digital hub where you can break down your project into manageable pieces, assign tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team, all in one place. Imagine that house construction project again. With Asana, you can create a project for building dream home. You can then list all the necessary tasks, from pouring the foundation to installing the roof, and assign them to different team members like the electrician or the plumber. You can set deadlines, attach relevant documents like blueprints, and even have discussions within each task about specific details. From to-do list to symphony conductor, the beauty of Asana lies in its ability to transform your chaotic to-do list into a well-orchestrated symphony. It provides a clear visual overview of your project, allowing you to see where everything stands and identify potential bottlenecks. Think about it. If your plumber gets delayed because the bathtub delivery is late, you can see that in Asana and adjust the schedule for the tiling crew accordingly. This level of transparency and communication keeps everyone on the same page, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. But it's not just about lists and deadlines. Asana goes beyond the basic task management features. It allows for file attachments, discussions, and even integrations with other popular tools like Google Drive or Slack. This creates a central hub for all project-related information, eliminating the need to hunt down lost emails or forgotten documents. Furthermore, Asana offers different project views to cater to various work styles. You can visualize your project as a simple list, a Kanban board with progress stages, or even a calendar view for deadlines. This flexibility ensures that everyone on the team can find the most effective way to stay on top of things. Collaboration made easy, but Asana truly shines when it comes to collaboration. Forget endless email chains and frantic phone calls. Asana allows team members to leave comments, tag each other in discussions, and track progress updates in real time. This fosters a sense of shared responsibility and keeps everyone accountable for their part in the project. Imagine a graphic designer working on the house logo can easily share their design drafts within the Design Logo task in Asana. The homeowner can leave feedback directly on the design, and the designer can address it without needing a barrage of emails. It's a streamlined and efficient way to work together, even if your team members are scattered across different locations. From small projects to big dreams, Asana isn't just for mammoth undertakings. Whether you're planning a team retreat, launching a marketing campaign, or simply organizing your personal to-do list, Asana can be your secret weapon. Its scalability allows it to adapt to projects of any size and complexity. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for project management. It has the right tool for every job, no matter how big or small. Take control of your projects today. With Asana, you can finally ditch the juggling act and say goodbye to the flaming chainsaw of project chaos. It's a powerful tool that can transform the way you work, boost your productivity, and ensure your projects reach their full potential. So, if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed and drowning in tasks, give Asana a try. It might just be the missing piece in your project management puzzle.